Welcome back, my dear student, on my YouTube channel. I am GD sir from LPM Public School. Today I am going to explain the chapter One Child, One Teacher, One Book, One Pen. Okay, and I have already made two parts of this chapter, and it will be third part of the chapter. So let's know more thing about the Yusuf Malala. And here is the Malala. Malala is speaking about his life, and in the previous we have to know that on October 9, 2012, when 15 years old Yusuf Jai was riding a bus with friend on their way home from school, a masked gunman boarded the bus and demanded to know which girl was Yusuf Jai. When her friend looked forward Yusuf Jai, her location was given away. The gunman fired at her and hitting Malala in the left side of her head. The bullet then traveled down her neck. Two other girls were also injured in the attack. The shooting left Yusuf Jai is critical outpouring of supports of Yusuf Jai, which continued during her recovery. Unfortunately, the Taliban still considered Yusufzai a target, although Yusufzai remains a staunch advocate for the power education. And when her father heard and her mother know that Yusufzai is come back home from the hospital, they became very happy. Okay, and you know more thing about that in the previous. What is the achievement of his father? She also explained that his father has a 1100 pupils and 70 teachers in a school, and there are three uh, three building. Okay, three building, and it is the creation of his father. And today we know next about something of Yusuf Malala Yousafzai. And before the starting the video, we have to know about the hard words like a conferences. Conferences is a large formal meeting where some people are invited to discuss important matter. Okay, uh, you know about that many of the people gathered a place and there they discuss about any matter, put up any matter and talking on this. And cause means an aim or a brief which a group of people support or fight for. Okay, aim, an aim of a brief, okay, which a group of people supports or fight. Next is doubting. Here is the doubting means frightened and difficult. It means uh, become very fearful and hard for you. And delegates means person choosing to speak, vote or make decision for a group of people. Clear? I hope you all understand, and you have many words of this topic. So you have learned, you have searched out and write down in your CW copy. So let's start the video. And you can see here is the image of Yusuf Malala who conferencing and speaking on the receiving the uh, Sakharov Prize for Free Speech and Human Rights in 2013. Okay, and next Yusuf Malala Yousafzai says that he says it's as if you planted a tree and nurtured it, you have the right to sit in its shade. It means here the Yousafzai says that if you planted a tree, okay, if you planted a tree, then and you also care of that plant, then have you have a right to sit under the tree, and you also right to take the shade take the shade of the tree, and pluck flowers and wooden etc are the many things. Why? Because you are care of that plant, and you planted that tree, and it is right to use of this plant for yourself. Okay, his dreams in life was to have a very big school in Swat, providing quality education, to live peacefully, and to have democracy in our country. Here is the Yusuf Malala Jai says that his life dream is different for other. Okay, what is different for his life? uh, have a very big school in Swat, providing. Okay, providing means, here is the Swat means a powerful hit. Okay, uh, have a very big school in Swat, providing quality education. A powerful quality provided by a school, and to live peacefully, and to have democracy in our country. And it is necessary, when you live in a country, there is need to peacefully is the important for you, and democracy is also important for our country. And in Swat, he had achieved respect and status in society through his activity and the help he give people. And he next says that in Swat, it means in a power, he had also get respect and status. Status is a respectfully level. Okay, in society through his activity and the help to give people. And there are many activity that is the done by yourself own, then you get the respect and status, and also you are make a society and show up their activity, and also get the help given by the people, or you uh, gave you people. Okay, he never imagined living abroad, and he gets upset when people suggest we wanted to come to the UK. And here he seen also says that he never imagined living abroad. It means he never think about that he went to the abroad and living there. And he gets upset when people suggest we wanted to come to the UK. Okay, and many of the person suggested him that he they it means Yusuf Jai and her family came back from the UK. And when she heard such type of the statement, uh, she became very upset. Okay, a person who has 18 years of education, a nice life, a family, you threw him out just as you throw a fish out of a water for speaking up for girls education. Okay, then a person who has 18 years of education, here Yusuf Jai says that if a person get near about 18 years of a education, and also spend a nice life, and he had a family, then you how can you throw out of that all condition just for you throw a fish out of the water. Okay, for speaking up for girls education. And she speaks about her girls education often over meal. He talk about home and try to remember things. And then he is often over meal, it means food. She talks about home and try to remember things, it means she and her family also, when they take the food or take the dinner in the evening or in the morning, they are talking about the home and try to remember many of the things that happen in their life in their uh, birth resident. Okay, we miss everything, even the smelly streams. Already some of the things from Swat seems like a storage from a distant place, like somewhere I have read about. And she and her family also missing many of the thing. What they miss, they miss the smelly stream. Okay, and already some of the things from the Swat seems like a storage from a distant place. Okay, and like somewhere I have read about. She also miss her school, her home, her many of the things that he spent many time of that person or things. And next he says that when his father spent my father spent much of his time going to the conferences on education. His father is also a good pioneer. Her father is also a good pioneer, and he attend many of the conferences, and in the conferences he explained about the education, and it is the very important matter for you for him. And I know it's odd for him that now people want to hear him because of me. In the beginning many of the person not pay attention on his speech, but nowadays many of the person attend pay attention on her his speech. Why? Because of her. Okay, and uh, and he says next that I used to be known as his father daughter, now he is uh, now he is known as my father. Okay, so she also says that because me, not the other way around, I used to be known as his daughter. Okay, in the beginning of the condition, what is the condition will be that many of the person know that Yusuf J is the daughter of uh, her father. Okay, but nowadays many of the person say that he is known as he is the father of Yusuf Jai Malala. Okay, it means he knows as his father. When he went to the France to collect an award for me, he told the audience, and his father also says that when he went to the France to collect the award for the Yusuf Malala Yusuf Jai, and what he said that in my part of the world most people are known by their son. I am one of the few lucky fathers known by his daughter. He said that in my part of the world, most people, it means many of the people in the world known by their son. Okay, many of the people of the world known by her son, and her son also known by his father. But here is the condition different. Her father says to the audience, what he says, he says that he was only one person who is very lucky father. Why? Because he known known by his daughter. Okay, he known by his daughter. His daughter means Malala Yousafzai. He is only one person who known that he he known that by his daughter. And nowadays many of the person in India known by his daughter like Hima Das, Abhishek Fogart, Sania Mirza, etc. are the many women who stand the name of his family. And but in the Pakistan there is the different situation. There is many of the girls is not show up herself, but here is the Yusuf Joy is different, and she fight with the society and stand up and rise up to herself and show that is she is a fighter for the or advocate for the girls education, and she is dependent on herself. Okay, and next she says that I don't want to be thought of as the girls who was shot by the Taliban, but the girl who fought for education. This is the cause to which I want to devote my life. Next, she says that I don't want to be thought of a the girls who was shot by the Taliban. And here is the I don't want to be thought. It means he not repeat to accident that happened in the Pakistan. The girl who was shot by the Taliban. It means when the Taliban shot her in a shot her in the Taliban by the Taliban, but the girls who fought for education. And here he also think about the girl who fought for the education. This is the cause to which I want to devote my life. It means he is completely dedicate his life for the education of the girl. And she always fought the public and society to get the education of the girls and uh, make her self dependent. Okay, so I hope you all understand. And here is the next. On my 16th birthday was in New York to speak at the United Nations, standing up to the addressing a audience inside the vast hall where so many world leaders have spoken before was doubting, but I knew what I wanted to say. This is your chance, Malala. So he also explained about his birthday. It is the 16th birthday of her, and he said that when he speak in New York of the United Nations and standing to addressing of the audience inside the a large hall where many of the people in the world of the world's leader have spoken before the doubting means frightening and difficult. Okay, it is very frightened fearful for her to speak before the world leaders, but he knew that what I wanted to say. He knew that what is the speech of he speeches. Okay, and this is your chance, Malala, I said to myself. And she get the confidence and also says to herself that this is her chance, Malala. And only 400 people were sitting around me, but when I looked out I imagined million more. I did not write my speech with the UN delegates in mind. Okay, and he before the 400 people. Okay, he start to speech, and he 400 people sitting around, and he covered by the he think about and imagine about. It is not only a 400 number of people. He think about that million more. Okay, and he did not write his speech with the UN delegates in a mind. I wrote it for every person around the world who could make a difference. I wanted to reach people living in poverty, those children forced to work, on those who suffered from terrorism or lack of education deep in my heart. I hoped to reach every child who could take a courage from my words and stand up for his or her rights. Here is the Yusuf Malala. When he speech, he not prepared a page. He completely write all the speech in his mind, and when he start to speak before the person, he talking about the different matter, and then he what he used many of used matters that he could make a different matter. He wanted to reach people living in poverty, and children forced to the work, and those who suffered from terrorism or lack of education. There are many matter. Then he explained it and deep by his heart, and he also hoped to reach every child. When many of the person heard his speech, he gets enthusiasm and get the courage from his words and stand up for his or her rights. Okay, and I called on the world's leaders to provide free education to every child in the world. Let us speak up. I called on the world leader to provide free education to everyone child in the world. And nowadays, many of the people called her the world's leader to provide the free education to every child in the world. And let's us pick up our book and our pens. I said they are our most powerful weapon. It means the book and pen is the only one weapon that is the we can use it as a powerful weapon, and they are our most powerful weapon. One child, one teacher, one book, and one pen can change the world. It means if a one child take the education by the one teacher and help of the book and a one pen, then all these things change the world and change the thought of the world. And I didn't know how my speech was received until the audience gave me a standing ovations. And when the Yusuf Jai complete his speech by saying this statement, the whole person, it means audience, that gathered in a vast hall become standing and giving uh, clapping for his speech. Okay, and now I hope you all understand this chapter, and you have to see in a exercise number A, tick the most appropriate option, and you have to book. So you solve the exercise number 1, and this chapter has been completed. So thank you for the watching video. I and best of luck.